Hi! In front of me is Cubot X19 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this smartphone. Start by accessing settings and tapping on apps and notifications. From here you need to scroll down, click on notifications and tap on see all from last 7 days. Then select one of your apps like Google and click on the switcher next to it. All notifications from Google are now blocked. If you wish to unlock them, you need to click at the same switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps and manage notifications by tapping on the switcher next to show notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!